Do you know your name and where you stay in Bangalore?
Yeah, I'm Pramod Shindi and we stay here in Kodichikanalli itself. It's hardly about half a kilometer from here.
How old is your child?
She's just about 2 now, so 2 years, 2 months.
What kind of classes and activities were you looking for?
So a place where she would get to play with other kids, mingle with other kids, socialize, as well as where she would pick up on rhymes and learn writing, reading and stuff like that. And I think she's picking things up really well. By hardly at 2, she can sing a whole lot of rhymes, and then she's very fond of coloring and stuff like that. We are happy that she's picking things up.
Okay. Which other preschools did you consider?
Actually, no others. We liked this at the very first instance we saw this, so we did not consider anything else. This was the first one we saw and we liked.
And why did you find it so satisfying?
So basically, when we moved back to India with our year-old daughter, then our main concern was kind of finding a school that would meet the quality and standards that we had experienced back in US. So now, seeing the school, it has exceeded our expectations in every way. In terms of quality and everything else. They are really good. And apart from that, what I like the best is the personal touch that they give, to look after the kids. They look after them as if they are own children. So, we are really happy our daughters here.
Okay. And as a child here for quite some time now, tell us 2 best things about Little Smiles.
So 2 best things, I think, people are very affectionate. They are actually fond of my daughter. So that is one very good thing. And then, the way they teach and they approach, it's as a parent, I know how difficult it is to trying to teach a little child, and I think they are doing a fantastic job. I can see how my daughter is picking things up. I'm really happy about that.
Anything that could be better?
Actually, nothing that I can think of.
And on a scale of 1 to 5, how likely are to come in?
It is easily 5.
5, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Sure.